Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can fix playback lag in Adobe Premiere Pro. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly. And here we go. So first of all, open up Premiere Pro application. You can see it. If I see the video, there is some playback lag. To minimize the playback lag, what you need to do is click on Edit and then go over to Preferences and select Memory. Now you will be able to see the total memory allocation of your PC. Here you can see the first one represent the total memory, while the second and third one tells about Premiere Pro and other applications memory allocation. To change the allocation preference, simply click and drag the mouse over it. If you drag it left, the value gets decreased and vice versa. After that, go to the Media Cache tab on the left side menu. Here, delete the media cache completely and also change the media cache management to these settings. Change the number of days to 7. What this means is that the cache will get deleted after a week automatically. Select OK. Now go over to Files, Project Settings, and then General. Here change the render settings to Mercury Playback Engine GPU Acceleration and click OK. After doing all of these settings, the playback lag will be fixed hopefully. And that's how you can fix the playback lag in Adobe Premiere Pro. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.